Hello guys, my name is Pedro. I just received my pop-on veneers as of yesterday and I'm very excited to show you how they look. So the full process beginning to end, you're looking at about 2 weeks. During the first week, they send you a box just like this, which will be your impression kit. You get 3 chances for the impression. They do send you instructions along with a barcode that you can use to watch a video. I watched the video first to make sure that my impressions were all going to come out really good. And then after that, I did my 3 impressions, put them in Ziploc bags, and mailed them back. They do send you a label, UPS, 2-day air, so they receive it pretty quickly. Once they received my impressions, I got an email immediately saying that they came out great. So, now that their technicians were working on making my veneers. So I like the fact that they keep you in the loop from beginning to end for each process. Now, once you receive your veneers, which is, like I said, in 2 weeks total, basically you get little goodies in the box as well. I do like the fact that they send you your actual mold kit that they use. And this is a great option for people like me that, have holes in their mouth. I have missing teeth due to an accident. You might have a gap that you want to cover, or maybe just a chipped tooth. So these are definitely affordable options for you that's not going to break the bank. In that kit as well, they provide like a little, cleaning for your veneers, toothbrush, congratulations card, and even 50% off on your second set, which I like very much, and I will be getting a second set. Now, the options that you have is Hollywood white, natural white, or mature tan. I personally went with the Hollywood white, and I honestly like it. I actually love it. So they sent me this cool little box, by the way. Usually they send you like a clear box, but I thought this was pretty cool. They took the time to send me a little box that actually has a mirror as well. So just to kind of show you how they look, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you my real teeth. See? There's the hole in my mouth there, okay? And these are my Hollywood white. So, as you see, top and bottom, okay? And they actually click right on there. That's another thing I really like. So as you see, I'm gonna put on the bottoms. They snap right on. Yeah, all right. And then I put on my tops. And there is my Hollywood smile. As you see, no holes in my mouth. I think in a way that I should have ordered the natural white, but I love the Hollywood white as well. It's just, our teeth are supposed to be white. As you can see, my speech kind of changes a little bit, and that's only because I'm not used to wearing a grill, which is basically what it is. But as I wear them and, and talk more, I'll eventually get accustomed to them. But I actually love it. That's how they look here. I absolutely love them. Sorry for my chapped lips there, but yeah, I think, if you're looking to invest in these, definitely do. It's one of the best investments I've done in a long time. Pop on veneers, Hollywood white. Bye.